Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Ifan Azim bin Abunade. Today, I and my friend will talk about new car safety assessment protocol for automotive safety and comfort system. My presentation is consists of four part, which are online survey analysis, comparison between 5-star ASEAN NCAP vehicle and 5-star Euro NCAP, and lastly, we designed a vehicle brochure. This presentation begins with online survey that was conducted, followed up by the survey finding. Next, I will compare to 5-star rated vehicle, namely the Proton E-7 and the Volvo EX30. Finally, we will conclude with presentation. An online survey was conducted using Google Form to understand public awareness regarding ASEAN NCAP. The survey involved Malaysia responded and consists of demographic question, awareness of ASEAN NCAP safety rating, purchasing priorities, safety assess evaluation using linear scale, and attention check question to ensure respondent answer the question carefully. This is the question that we put in the survey. First, we talk about age, gender, driving experience, vehicle ownership, and the familiarity with the ASEAN NCAP. Lastly, we put the attention check question to make the respondent answer carefully.
Assalamualaikum. So today I will talk about the survey analysis. So the survey analysis is we got sebanyak 52 response. So the majority is age 20 to 29 years old. That is the red color. And for the gender is male. So a total 82.7%. So about the driving experience, we majority get 1 to 3 years and also 4 to 6 years. And for the majority of vehicle ownership is mostly family car only. So total about 53.8%. Awareness of Asian NCAP safety racing. So we ask about our responder about have you heard of Asian NCAP before? So the majority is yes. So the total is 67.3%. And we also ask where did you first learn about Asian NCAP? And the respondent majority is social media. So, how familiar are you with Asian NCAP rating? So, the majority is slightly familiar. And before purchasing a vehicle, have you ever checked its Asian NCAP rating? So, the majority is yes. So, to responder, which minimum Asian NCAP rating would you prefer when buying a new vehicle? So the responder respond is 5-star, which is majority. We got a total of 44.2%.
For priority of Asian CAP, safety rating in consideration when buying vehicle. We are willing to pay more for a vehicle with a higher Asian and CAP rating. 52.7% say yes, and 34.6 not sure, and the less from this is no. Which minimum Asian NCAP rating would you prefer when buying a new vehicle? From the 52 response, and 44.2% is a 5-star, 28.8% is a 4-star, 7.4, 7.7 is 3-star, and last 19.2% is no preference. This advanced safety assist technology can significantly reduce road accident. This data. This slide show the attention check from 51 response. The pie graph show the 94.1% is 7, 9, and the lastly green is 6. The comparison of 5-star Euro CAP with a 5-star Asian NCAP is a Proton IMA 7 and the Volvo.
So, first of all, we will compare them in terms of safety features, which we will go through with the airbag, AEB, which stands for Autonomous Emergency Brake, ACC, which is Adaptive Cruise Control, Lane Keep Assist, Blind Spot Detection, driver monitoring, which is both of them or have it. The main difference which the Volvo EX30 have, which it have safety exit warning and also door opening alert, which the Proton EMAS 7 doesn't have it. Okay, so for the next comparison, we will go through the crash protection comparison. Firstly, we will go through the Proton EMAS 7. It has strong adult occupation protection. It also has design for ASEAN traffic and also excellent for motorcyclists. Next is Volvo EX30. It has excellent crash protection, a better pedestrian protection, and better cyclist protection, and also there's more challenging crash tests. Both of it has different approaches because, as we can see, Proton EMS is for the ASEAN market, which is we has motorcyclists in the road. But for the Volvo, the way they test it is also depending on the cyclist and also pedestrian because the way the landscape the Europe has. Next, we will go through the safety technology comparison. For the Proton E-7, we have autonomous emergency braking, which stands for AEB, adaptive cruise control, which is ACC, lane keep assist, LKA, loss damage waiver, LDW. It also have blind spot detection, BSD. It has rare cross traffic alert, which stands for RCTA, and it has 360-degree camera. Next, for the Volvo EX30, it have autonomous emergency braking also, but the different it has the cyclist and intersection detection. It also have pilot assist. It has lane keep assist aid, and also safety exit assist. It has door opening alert, and it also has driver monitoring system, which use infrared camera. I mean, okay. So both of these cars have a really excellent safety technology, but when we compare it, the Volvo actually provide more advanced ADAS technology. This is because it's one of the main reason that is um, in the Europe it has a really high standard for the safety technologies. So for the overall comparison, we can see that ASEAN NCAP is actually focused on the occupant and also focus on motorcycle safety. It is uh, giving the consumer the affordable technology, and also it's designed specifically for the ASEAN roads. And for Euro NCAP, it's focus on occupant. It also uh, focus on pedestrian safety. It has advanced technology, and lastly, it is designed for Europe's road. Both of these ASEAN NCAP and Euro NCAP focus on safety in general, but uh, both of both of it lean toward uh, their consumer region. For the ASEAN NCAP, obviously it will go through the ASEAN market, and the Europe NCAP is for the Europe. That's one of the main comparison that we can get from this.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Danish Mishamsul Sarizan, and I'm going to talk about the vehicle brochure. So this is the front page. The front page of the brochure, we put a vehicle picture, and we have the name of the car. So the name of the car is Aegis Prime X5, and there is also a tagline. So the tagline is "Your family safe drive forward." So the second page of the brochure is explaining about the safety rating. So the safety rating of AOP, COP, SA, and MS. So what is AOP? So AOP is Adult Occupant Protection. COP is Child Occupant Protection, and SA is Safety Assist, and MS is Motorcyclist Motorcyclist Safety. So uh, the percent is the score point for the safety rating. So AOP is about 94%, COP is 88%, and SA is 91%, and MS is 85%. Okay, so now let's go to the third page of the brochure. So the title for the third page is Protection that Absorb Impact. Uh, for the left column, it explaining about the passenger and adult safety. And for the right column, it's explaining about the child safety and comfort. So for the left column, it says that steel that stays strong. It is because it uses a rigid steel frame, reinforced at every critical point, absorb collision force, keeping your cabin intact and your family safe. And on the right side of the column, it says smart anchoring for car seat. So it used the isofix anchoring point keep child's car seats locked firmly in place and preventing dangerous movement during sudden braking or a crash. Okay, and for the fourth page of the brochure, it says uh, it- uh, the title is Advanced Eye and Smart Brake. So it explaining about the radar detection, 8 megapixel optical stream, and all row smart reminders. So for the radar detection, it used 4TX times 4RX MIMO radar offering a Doppler resolution, uh, velocity boundary down to plus minus 0.1 millimeter per second. Uh, for the 8 megapixel optical screen, it used a high dynamic range HDR greater than 120 dB sensor capturing at 45 fps to align tracking coordinates with radar targets, and expanded all row smart reminders. For all row smart reminders, uh, it use multi-zone weight sensor dynamically monitoring safety belt states across both heating rows. Okay, so now let's go to the fifth page of the brochure. So the title is Motorcyclist Safety Integration. It explaining about the CMRM, CMF tape, and CM crossing. So what is CMRM? CMRM is a car to motorcycle rear moving. CMF tab is turn across path, and CM crossing is lateral interception. So for CMRM, it explained that because motorcyclists are narrower and weave through traffic faster than cars. And CMF tab explaining how this protect driver at typical Malaysian intersection or junction. And CM crossing explain that standard tracking filters experience a lag cycle when a motorcycle suddenly cuts into your lane laterally. Okay, and for the sixth page of the brochure, its title is Strategic Roadmap Comparison. It's actually a comparison between Asian NCAP and Euro NCAP. So there is Asian NCAP philosophy and Euro NCAP philosophy. So for Asian NCAP, it target the democratic access to baseline safety. For Euro NCAP, it drive a technology driver standard validation push. So that is the uh, difference between Asian NCAP and Euro NCAP. Okay, now to the last page of the brochure. So this is the seventh page of the project brochure. So this page is very simple, just a box with codes. So the codes is zero emission, designed for safety and engineered for humanity. Humanity. So from this video, we can conclude. So the first conclusion is public awareness of Asian NCAP is increasing. And second conclusion is safety assist technology influence purchasing decision. Third conclusion is proton immersible provide excellent protection for Asian road conditions. Third conclusion is fourth conclusion. So the fourth conclusion is Volvo EX30 offer more advanced ADAS and vulnerable road user protection. And last conclusion is vehicle safety remains an important factor in reducing road accidents. That's all from us. Thank you.